Have you ever stopped to think about the power behind a sneeze? That quick explosion from your nose isn't just a reflex, it's a biological marvel. When you sneeze, air and droplets can shoot out at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a speeding car in a city. This rapid burst helps clear out irritants and protect your lungs, but it also means germs can spread faster than you might imagine. What feels like a tiny, uncontrollable twitch is actually a fierce defense mechanism, reminding us just how quickly our bodies respond to keep us safe. Suddenly, a sneeze isn't just annoying, it's astonishing.